If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. This specific yet completely honest finding, perfect, is proving to be worth every single penny. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple. It works exactly as advertised. It brings professional-level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it works better than anything else in the market. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without the heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it before the price goes back up. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. This specific yet completely honest finding,